In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use Gemini AI with Google Workspace, even if you're facing an unknown setting challenge. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can seamlessly integrate this powerful tool into your workflow. To kick things off, we first need to go to Google, which is accessible through any web browser. Simply open up your preferred browser and head to the Google homepage. Once you're there, in the search bar, type in Google Gemini and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to Google Gemini. Now, look through these results and find the official website for Google Gemini. Click on it to navigate into the site where all the magic happens. Once you're on the Google Gemini website, you'll want to direct your attention to the lower left corner of the page. There, you'll find a settings icon. Go ahead and click on this settings option to expand more features and options available to you. In the settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Connected Apps. Clicking on this will bring you to another screen where you can manage which applications Gemini AI can interact with. Here, you'll want to look for Google Workspace as one of the choices on the list. Once you find it, make sure to enable Google Workspace by toggling the corresponding switch. This will allow Gemini AI to connect with your Google Workspace, providing a more integrated experience. Once that's done, go ahead and click on the Connect button. This action will commence the connection process between Gemini AI and your Google Workspace, linking the two together for improved functionality and features. Now let's test everything we've set up. To do this, open a new chat within the Gemini interface. This will be your first opportunity to see Gemini AI in action with Google Workspace. In this chat window, create a prompt to test the connection. For example, you might draft something like include@gmail and ask, "What's the latest email I received from Pinterest, and which label is it under?" This prompt will allow you to verify that Gemini AI can access your emails and respond appropriately. Once you've constructed your prompt, follow up by clicking the Submit button. This will send your query for processing, and you'll shortly receive feedback. Do keep in mind that sometimes it may take a little while to display the result, especially if it's fetching data from your email or performing complex sorting tasks. Patience is key. And there you have it. You should now have Gemini AI up and running with your Google Workspace. Remember, integrating these tools can take a bit of finesse, but with each use, you'll discover new ways they can enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching.